Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi connection issues on Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, try reconnecting your camera and your smartphone. To do that, swipe down the Quik settings, go to the third page, tap Connect device, and then on your smartphone make sure to open the main page in the Quik application. Here select GoPro, connect GoPro, connect, and see if the issue is resolved, and if not, then let's return back to the camera settings. First of all, let's swipe down the Quik settings once again. Let's go to Preferences on the third page, go to Connections, make sure that connections are turned on. You can change the band. The 5 GHz band will give you better network speed, but 2.4 GHz will let you use better coverage. So try using different bands, and if nothing helps you, simply reset your connections like this. And then once again reconnect your camera. To your smartphone. And if this didn't help you, try checking your internet connection on the smartphone itself. Make sure that your smartphone has stable internet. Make sure that you can use your web services using your smartphone and access all the websites with it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.